How to install a TPW quick release cylinder kit on a TPW Xpress Woolpress. On the top of the Woolpress, you'll find 4 bolt holes that will need to be drilled out to 17mm. The holes have already been enlarged on this particular Woolpress, so these visuals are just for reference. Once you've enlarged all 4 holes, you'll then need to use a tap to add a 3/4 UNF thread. After you've tapped the 4 holes, test fit the included bolts. Next, fit the half of the mounting bracket that has the guide rod slot to the back of the Woolpress. Do the bolts up finger tight, but it's important that you don't tighten them fully just yet. Then repeat this procedure on the opposite side. Next, raise the cylinder up and ensure the plate on the cylinder aligns inside the new quick release cylinder mounting brackets. Then insert the locking pins into both sides. There shouldn't be any clearance between the top of the locking pins and the cylinder plate. If there is, tighten these adjustment bolts to raise the assembly until the gap is closed. Once correctly adjusted, the pins should be firm to turn outwards into the locking position. Next, examine both pawls and ensure they are both located centrally. If the pawls are located in the correct position, tighten the 4 large bolts on the quick release cylinder brackets. Next, remove the locking pins and lower the cylinder halfway. Slide the guide rod into position and align the bottom with the cylinder plate, ensuring that it is sitting straight up and down to the Woolpress cylinder. Underneath, mark this hole on the lower side of the cylinder plate, then drill it out to 13mm and insert the supplied rivet nut. This has already been done on this particular Woolpress, so the next step is to bolt the guide rod into place. Once tightened, raise the cylinder again. Slot the locking pins back in place and twist outwards to tighten.